friend who needs some back steps for his mobile home. It is got a concrete slab up to it, so it's really only, I think, 4 steps, and one is level at the top. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fashion him some steps with a bottom on it he can cut off to adjust the height. I have all of this. This wood here was our pool deck that we had in the, we had a pool in the front yard, and I had it out here on the ground, tore it up. I don't know if I showed y'all that. I'll insert a picture here of what it was. But it was just piecemealed, and some of this wood is still good, some of it is not. It's all treated lumber, and I don't know, I think it was like a 2x6 here is what it is. And I am going to salvage out of this, because you know that's what I do. Salvage something out of this that we can take over there that'll be safe. But he has an elderly dog. And the elderly dog really needs a ramp that can be put up, I know, at least to get rid of the bottom steps and just have one step to take up. That's what we had here for my old dogs. This is a really good board. And I'm thinking, instead of just a little, he's got a little short step. I mean, like, you open the door and the step ends, and there's a patio table, and it's concrete. And I think it would be nice to have it go down longer, because he's got all kind of kids that come over there that are relatives, and they can sit there on the bench. Just put pretty plants on there. I don't know. I don't think he'll put pretty plants on there, but I might. I got my puppies out here. See, this is a good length. That's a good length step compared to what he has. So, I will lay out something that's still usable, because we are reusers. You know, a step 3 boards wide would really be nice, because we have them that are just 2, and you know, that's not really safe or big enough. I just got to remember that we've got to be able to pick it up and get it over there. Yeah, I'm going to cut these nasty ends off, give me a fresh board, and I'm going to do 3 steps, and I think, what is the height on it? 7 inches? 9? I'll have to measure. I'll measure the runners that I have on the steps that the camera's sitting on. But I'm not cutting runners. I'm going to do leg posts, so he can just cut them off. Because I can't do runners. I don't have a board for runners anyway, if I wanted to cut them. If we had our new stuff, I could repurpose my old ones, because I have 3 runners there. I'm not going to repurpose it though. What are you dogs doing? Huh? What doing?
Okay, I'm cutting them down anyway. That's a good controlling size. I'll cut the edges off of that. So, I have my deck boards for 3 across with 3 steps. So now, the sideboards that are going to be the legs will be like this. And then he can put something under it or cut them down.
At this point, I have moved the step boards around here to the front, a lot easier for me to work around here. The tools were around here. So, cutting my length out. I so miss my D-Walk. There. That's 2 of them. And I'm going to brace long ways, and I'm bracing across underneath whatever I have to. But that will give room to, and such as they are,